How's it going, guys? So, something came into the mail. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this is a pretty big old box here. What is inside? Well, we got some packing material. I see something hiding beneath it. Oh yeah, it's here, guys. My new phone holder and selfie camera and light doohickey. It's got all three of them in the one. Oh yeah, let's see how it looks. So yeah, first of all, yep, there was a. What else do we got in here? Some clips and holders. Get a better look at those. Yeah, so we got what looks like whoa, look at this hole. Alright, so let's actually see the light. It's all put together now. This is how it looks. Let me go ahead and switch it on here. Use this little remote. It's plugged in through USB power. And it's just as simple as power, and you got your adjustments right here. Pretty nice. And you can just plop your phone in like so, move it all the way around, do what you gotta do. It's all good here. And the remote definitely works. Yeah,